Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your home tab on YouTube. Now I'm going to head over to my channel, guys. Let me go to the upper right hand side and click on my profile and just simply click on view channel. Here you'll see that I only have videos and posts, but there's no home on this channel. Now in order to enable this, all you have to do is simply click on customize channel. Once you're inside this YouTube studio, you will have the option to click on the home tab on the upper left hand side. So as you can see right under channel customization, you have profile and you have home tab. You want to click on that, and here you have the button right here, and as you can see here, it's currently grayed out, but it's very easy to enable. Just simple toggle this button right here and you have the home tab enabled. And from here you can simply tap on publish, and once you click on publish, your home tab will be enabled. Now if I click on view channel again, you will see that the home tab is now enabled, and here you can see that home is now available on YouTube. So now I have home, I have videos, and I also have post. And that's it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.